How to make wedding videos on Filmora 12. So first you have to select your pictures or videos that you have on your own and you want to edit them. Just drag and drop your footages in the project media and then just drag into the timeline. So if you want to make some like simple slideshows for these clips, so first you have to drag them into the timeline and then you have to select music that like vibes with this thing. So first let me select the music. Okay, this seems cool. Okay, so first you have to do this thing, Ctrl+B in Filmora 12. Just press Ctrl and B to cut and then delete. Now if you want to get some transactions here in the middle of two pictures, then click on transactions and you have lots of transactions going on here. You just have to choose one and then apply to your footage. Let's select which one. Let's say you want this diamond zoom. It's like so simple. So for your information, if you use glitchy transaction like this, let's see, then you could do something creative. Like you can search glitch effect. If you you will find lots of glitch effects on the internet. Just search for them. For transactions, then it will look more natural to the viewers. Just make it a little bit slower. Add things on your own that you like, your mind says that it's cool, dude, then use that thing. Let's use another, not in here. Okay, then cut it, apply a new one. Okay, that's cool. So in those transactions you can apply shoes effect. Search for shoes. As you can see, it like matches so much. Effect on here, so it will look more natural. So end of the wedding video you can do one thing, and that is just click this thing and drag and then apply a opacity thing here while it's in 100 and then make it 0. As simple as that. Okay, let's see what we have made. You can also do one thing. If you are just making this thing with images, first go to your video, then apply keyframes in here and then go to the last of your video when you just added the 10 transactions. Just do this thing. It will look more like, won't make the viewers so boring or bored out from the video. Okay, then now you can do that things again, like make a little movement so it don't harsh out. So in here you can do one thing, that you just zoomed in and then in the last in the video make it in the position that it was, that is 100. Let's see. Also now you want to zoom in. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, so that's cool, and you can make it with a video, with anything you want. So that was how you can make wedding videos using photos or anything. So this is how you can make wedding videos on Filmora 12. Thanks for watching. Bye.